Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Feedly for content curation and social media. So using Feedly for content curation and your social media is one of the smartest ways to stay ahead without wasting time scrolling. So actually guys, first you will need to set up Feedly properly. So you can download the Feedly app on your Android, iOS, or you can just open it on a website just like me, okay? Feedly.com. Then you will need to sign up or sign in using your email or Google, Apple, etc. Okay, and then just choose the topics relevant to your niche. Okay, like business, tech, marketing, etc. So you can find them on the tweet landscape or on the sign up section. Okay, so don't follow everything, just focus on quality sources. So for me, I'm going with malware, threat actors, tactics and techniques, extra. Okay, and then you will need to add high quality sources. Okay, so you can follow websites like blogs, news sites, YouTube channels, podcasts, specific RSS feeds, extra. Okay, so you may see the Feedly website just like that, okay? And to search, you will need, as I told you, at first to go with your niche. So for example, I will go with marketing, and here I can go with follow all, or I can follow whatever I want to follow, okay? And then, as I told you, you can follow right here websites, YouTube channels, podcasts, and specific RSS feeds, okay? And then just organize with folders. So create categories like content ideas right here. So go with create folder and go, for example, with content ideas. Okay, then go with save. Right. So right here you will need to go with follow websites, and then just go with, for example, YouTube. Okay, so just choose the YouTube tag and go ahead and follow the channels that you want. So you can enter the specific channel just right here that you want to follow. Okay, so this makes your workflow clean and fast. Then just scan the content efficiently, so don't read everything. Use Feedly like filter, not reading app. Okay, so just spend 10 to 15 minutes a day as max. Okay, so once you get the content, you will need then to turn the content into the social media posts. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. Just take one article and create a Twitter, Threads, Instagram posts, TikTok scripts, LinkedIn posts, extra. Okay, so don't copy but rewrite in your own style. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.